Which of the following is an undesirable dynamic characteristic of an instrument? A. Reproducibility. B. Dead zone. C. Time lag. D. Static error. The correct answer is time lag. Which of the following is not the triple point of water? A. 32 degree R. B. 273 Kelvin. C. 492 degree R. D. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. The correct answer is 32 degree R. Pick out the one which is a first-order instrument. A. Mercury in glass thermometer without any covering or air gap. B. Bare metallic thermometer. C. Bare vapor pressure thermometer. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Load cells are used for the measurement of A. Stress. B. Weight. C. Strain. D. Velocity. The correct answer is weight. Which of the following is the dynamic characteristics of an instrument? A. Reproducibility. B. Sensitivity. C. Dead zone. D. Fidelity. The correct answer is fidelity. Pick out the wrong statement. A. O2 no and number 2 exhibit paramagnetic properties as a result of unpaired electrons. B. O2 is the strongest paramagnetic gas. C. Paramagnetic susceptibility of gases decreases with temperature. D. Paramagnetic susceptibility of gases permits the measurement of their concentration. The correct answer is CO2 is the strongest paramagnetic gas. The dash 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 of a vapor pressure thermometer is a functioning element. A. Pointer. B. Burden tube. C. Bulb. D. None of these. The correct answer is pointer. A negative gain margin expressed in decibels means an dash 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 system. A. Stable. B. Unstable. C. Critically damped. D. None of these. The correct answer is unstable. Thermistor, which has high temperature coefficient of resistivity, is used as the sensing element in resistance thermometer. It is A. Insulator. B. Conductor. C. Solid semiconductor. D. Liquid semiconductor. The correct answer is solid semiconductor. Flapper nozzle is used in an dash 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 controller. A. Electronic. B. Hydraulic. C. Pneumatic. D. None of these. The correct answer is pneumatic. Typical specifications for design stipulates the gain margin and phase margin to be respectively A. 1.7 and 30 degrees. B. 1.7 and 30 degrees. C. 1.7 and 30 degrees. D. 1.7 and 30 degrees. The correct answer is 1.7 and 30 degrees. Working principle of radiation pyrometer is based on the A. Wien's law. B. Kirchhoff's law. C. Stefan-Boltzmann law. D. Seebeck effect. The correct answer is Stefan-Boltzmann law. Which of the following relates the EMF generated in a single homogeneous wire to the temperature difference? A. Peltier effect. B. Thomson effect. C. Seebeck effect. D. None of these. The correct answer is Thomson effect. Dilute wine was used as a thermometric liquid initially to develop temperature scale. First empirical temperature scale developed was the dash 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 scale. A. Kelvin. B. Centigrade. C. Fahrenheit. D. Reaumur. The correct answer is Fahrenheit. In a single tank system, The transfer function of level to inlet flow rate is A RTS, B RTS plus 1, C LTS plus L, D 1TS. The correct answer is RTS plus 1. Which of the following is a desirable characteristic of an instrument? A. High drift, B. High fidelity, C. High measuring lag, D. Poor reproducibility. The correct answer is high fidelity. The operation of a rotameter is based on A. Variable flow area, B. Rotation of a turbine, C. Pressure drop across a nozzle, D. Pressure at a stagnation point. The correct answer is variable flow area. The temperature of tempering oil baths maintained at 400 degrees Celsius during heat treatment of steel is measured by A. N dash 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 thermocouple, A. chromelumel, B. iron constant N, C. platinum rhodium, D. none of these. The correct answer is iron constant N. Instrumentation in a plant offers the advantage of A. Greater safety of operation, B. Better quality of product, C. Greater operation economy, D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Which of the following temperature measuring instruments need not touch the object whose temperature is being measured? A. Radiation infrared pyrometer, B. Filled system thermometer, C. Mercury in glass thermometer, D. Thermoelectric pyrometer. The correct answer is radiation infrared pyrometer. Thermal conductivity measurement comprises the working principle of A. CO2 analyzer, B. polarimeter, C. spectrometer, D. chromatograph. The correct answer is CO2 analyzer. Response of a system to a sinusoidal input is called dash 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 response. A. Impulse, B. unit step, C. frequency, D. none of these. The correct answer is frequency. The closed loop pole of a stable second order system could be A. both real and positive, B. complex conjugate with positive real parts, C. both real and negative, D. one real positive and the other real negative. The correct answer is both real and negative. Smoke density of the flue gas going out of the chimney is measured by A. polarograph, B. thermal conductivity meter, C. photoelectric cell, D. chromatograph. The correct answer is photoelectric cell. Temperature measuring instruments are standardized mostly with dash 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 points of pure substances. A. melting, B. boiling, C. both A and B, D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Pick out the first order system from among the following: A. damped vibrator, B. mercury in glass thermometer kept in boiling water, C. interacting system of two tanks in series, D. non-interacting system of two tanks in series. The correct answer is mercury in glass thermometer kept in boiling water. The maximum service temperature for fiber glass used as thermocouple wire insulation material is dash 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 degree C. A. 250, B. 500, C. 750, D. 1000. The correct answer is 500. Which of the following controllers has the least maximum deviation? A. P controller, B. P I controller, C. P I D controller, D. P D controller. The correct answer is P D controller. Volumetric expansion is the working principle of the dash, 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 thermometers. A. Mercury in glass. B. Constant volume gas. C. Vapor pressure. D. Bimetallic. The correct answer is mercury in glass. Which of the following measurements can be made by the measurement of EMF? A. pH value. B. Degree of hydrolysis. C. Composition of complex ions. D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. A magnetic flowmeter is A. Based on the principle of Faraday's law. B. Capable of measuring the flow rate of slurries and electrolytes. C. Based on the linear relationship between the fluid flow rate and the induced voltage. D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Zirconia probe is used for the continuous measurement of dash, 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 dash. Flue gases going out of the furnace. A. Oxygen in. B. Carbon dioxide in. C. Carbon monoxide in. D. Temperature of. The correct answer is oxygen in. Strain gauge pressure transducers are used to measure dash, 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 dash pressures. A. Gauge as well as vacuum. B. Absolute as well as differential. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Compositional analysis of dash, 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 dash is done using mass spectrometer. A. An isotope. B. Natural gas. C. A solid. D. An alloy. The correct answer is an isotope. The function of a transducer is to A. Modify the input signal. B. Amplify the input signal. C. Convert the primary signal into a more useful quantity, usually an electric impulse. D. Decodify the input signal. The correct answer is convert the primary signal into a more useful quantity, usually an electric impulse. Nichols' chart deals with A. AR versus phase lag of first order. B. AR versus phase lag of second order. C. Closed loop values versus open loop values. D. Frequency response values of controllers. The correct answer is closed loop values versus open loop values. Which of the following thermocouples will give the highest output for the same value of hot and cold junction temperature? A. Platinum plus rhodium. B. Iron constant 10. C. Chromel constant 10. D. All will give the same output. The correct answer is Chromel constant 10. A proportional controller with a gain of Kc is used to control a first-order process. The offset will increase if A. Kc is reduced, B. Kc is increased, C. Integral control action is introduced, D. Derivative control action is introduced. The correct answer is Kc is reduced. Dash, 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 dash is undesirable in thermocouples used in industries. A. Linear relation of EMF to temperature. B. Corrosion resistance. C. Oxidation resistance. D. Nonlinear relation of EMF to temperature. The correct answer is nonlinear relation of EMF to temperature. Select the correct statement from the following. A. The frequency response of a pure capacity process is unbounded. B. The phase lag of a pure time delay system decreases with increasing frequency. C. The amplitude ratio of a pure capacity process is inversely proportional to frequency. D. The amplitude ratio of a pure time delay system increases with frequency. The correct answer is The amplitude ratio of a pure capacity process is inversely proportional to frequency. For an input forcing function, xt is equal to 2t2, the Laplace transform of this function is a2 s2, b for s2, c2 s3, d for s3. The correct answer is for s3. Continuous shell temperature measurement in a liquid-liquid heat exchanger is done by a thermocouple, b resistance thermometer, c mercury in glass thermometer, d vapor pressure thermometer. The correct answer is thermocouple. The dash 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 of a vapor pressure thermometer is a secondary element. A pointer, b Bourdon tube, c bulb, d none of these. The correct answer is Bourdon tube. EMF developed by a thermocouple, while measuring a temperature of 600 degrees Celsius is about 5.5 MV. The type of thermocouple used is a chromel-alumel, b iron constantan, c platinum plus rhodium, d either A, B or C. The correct answer is platinum plus rhodium. Which of the following relates the absorption and evolution of heat at the junctions of a thermocouple to the current flow in the circuit? A. Seebeck effect, b. Peltier effect, c. Joule heating effect, d. Thomson effect. The correct answer is Peltier effect. The second-order system with the transfer function has a damping ratio of A 2.0, B 0.5, C 1.0, D 4.0. The correct answer is 0.5. In a shell and tube heat exchanger, the flow rate of heating cooling fluid is the dash 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 variable. A. Load, b. Controlled, c. Manipulated, d. None of these. The correct answer is manipulated.